To ferment spiritual food that you ate in your dream, you need jatropha leaf, the red one. You need the fresh one. You need this jatropha leaf, the green one. We consider it as white one. Get the two leaves together. Get warm water, and you crush the two leaves in warm water. Filter it. You can get like 75 cl or more than this. Filter it. Put the water back to the plastic rubber. So get 35 cl of original honey. Add it to it. Shake it very well. Drink 1 shot every day. You can drink it in the morning. You can drink it at night before you sleep. You can share it with anybody. But when someone asks you, what are you using? Just tell the person it's a god. Do not share this secret. The thing you are using, do not share it with anybody, because they must find out what you are